Do you want to get better growth or career opportunity? If yes, then PMP is something you must do. My name is Amer Ali and we have helped last year more than 300 students to get their PMP, and this year we are going to help more than 500 certified PMP. You are gonna become one of them if you join our program. You can join the batch program or one-to-one program. Let me explain you how these programs can actually help you in becoming certified PMP in the minimum possible time. Let's start. So now what happened most of the time, 90 to 95% of the people after taking the training, they don't even give the exam. Now this is such a harsh reality that after spending such a amount, like if you go to USA, the average training fees is $2,500. So after spending $2,500 plus 4 to 5 days of training, students don't even take the exam. Now this is something on which my system is based on. And why is that so? Let me tell you my own story. I did PMP almost a decade back, and once I was doing the PMP training, what happened, it was a 4 days training on 2 weekends, Saturday, Sunday, 9 to 5. After that training, there was no sport at all. There was no simulator, there was nothing at all. I have to search the things, I have to buy the things. I was not sure, there was no sport at all. Yes, one thing was there. The day I cleared the exam, I told my trainer, and he put my name and my picture on his website that this student taken the training and cleared it. Hey man, get real. The person took the training and then prepared it by yourself. It's the same thing in the entire PMP training world. If you take the training, then you are on your own. On the basis of this thing, on the cry for help, I realized that if I need accountability partner, if I need someone to coach, then there must be thousands of other people whom I can help. And in the last 10 years, we have helped more than 100,000 people at different platforms to become certified PMP. Now the next PMP can be you. I want to also add, last 2 years when the COVID actually hit, 11th March 2020, we were not online before that. We were doing physical trainings in UAE as well as in my home country. But when we went online, people were getting depressed. I saw an opportunity. We went online, and from that day, we have helped students from all over the world. You can name the country: India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, China, Taiwan. The guy actually cleared PMP from Taiwan last week. Saudi Arabia, a lot of students. Of course, the main market: UAE, Kuwait, Qatar, USA, Australia, Denmark, Germany, Congo, South Sudan, Africa, Nigeria. I can go on. Everywhere where people lives, they have done PMP from us. And why they are succeeding in such a short period of time? If you stay with me, I'm gonna guide you through that. So once you have taken the training, as I said, 97% of the students are not gonna give the exam. If you just want the training, please don't join our program. Our programs are not designed just for the project management training. They are designed to make you certified project management professional in the minimum possible time. It can be 3 to 4 up to 6 weeks, not more than that. Once you have taken the training, and you can take the training from me in a batch program every month in the middle we do our one batch program. Normally we have 30 plus students in batch, but we limit it up to 30 new students, and the old students or my one-to-one students, they can join if we go up 30 plus. So once you have taken the training, I will give you weekly customized roadmap. Now what do I mean by weekly customized roadmap? Okay, so there's a general roadmap that what you need to study. Of course, I will provide you and the entire thing. But now every student have their own time frame. They can study at their own particular time. According to that time frame, I will provide you a roadmap that is suited to your requirement, your own individual requirement. That program is suited. So I will provide you that customized roadmap, which can help you to understand, okay, what to study this particular week. Now, as I was saying, 90% of the people are not gonna study. 90 to 95% of the people are not gonna study. Here comes the most important thing: daily follow-up. We will have a follow-up system to make sure you are following through it, to make sure that you are listening to that, to make sure you are on the track. And if you are not following this thing, it can be thousands of reasons. Whatever the reason you are not following, you may be busy, you may got sick, your child has exams. There are thousands of reasons that I can tell you from thousands of students that we know. I will change your map according to the time you have. Maybe you have 4 days on weekend, 4 hours on weekend, and 1 hour on a weekday. So this will be changed according to that. So this weekly roadmap and daily follow-up, they will be the key in understanding your PMP. They will be the key so that you don't move off track. You actually give the exam. So this is something that I am very famous on, that my follow-up system is very, very strong. It will make sure that you become certified project management professional. Next thing, and a very important thing, coaching calls. Now, what does coaching call contain and what is actually coaching call? You see, PMP exam is all about solving 180 questions in 3 hours 50 minutes, and of course 10 minutes break. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. You need to learn how to solve hard questions of PMP. And in these coaching calls, that will happen 3 coaching calls, actually I should write it, 3 coaching calls in a week. In these coaching calls, we will actually share with you how to solve hard questions of PMP. Every single student will get a chance to solve a question, and more importantly, you will learn from other students how to solve hard questions of PMP. So a very, very important thing, this coaching call. I would say this 3 things: weekly customized roadmap, daily follow-up, and coaching calls. These 3 things are the key why we have such a high success rate. And let me tell you, my success rate is 99.8 in the last year, and it is almost same this year. We have as of now 235 PMPs in September, and I'm 100% sure we're gonna hit a target of 500 certified PMP in 2022, and you can be one of them. Now, in addition to that, of course, I'm gonna give you PMI authorized training material. I'm an authorized trainer provider of PMI. I'm gonna give you 35 PDUs, application support. You need to write down the application. People charge $100 to $300 only for that application. That is included in this program. I'm gonna provide you audit support. Let's say you are selected for the audit. I will be there for you. If you are selected for the audit, I will help you in filling the application. In addition to that, we are gonna provide you 210 questions that PMI has given. We called it as authorized training provider questions. Premium ATPs have that. I'm gonna give you best simulator in the market, and I'm gonna give you others people also simulator. I'm gonna buy the best thing in the market and I'm gonna provide you. I love what Steve Jobs used to say, when basically you see the graphical user interface, the beautiful interface with the color and those things. It was not designed by Apple or Microsoft. It was designed by Xerox. So basically Apple took the idea, or as Steve Jobs says, stole the idea from them. So we took the mocks or the ideas from all over the world to share with you, because I believe the goal is to make you PMP in an ethical way, and we will do that for you. Ethics is very important. We will do that way. So all the simulators plus journey book are very interesting thing. You don't have to read any kind of books in my programs. But let's say you are among those people who wants to read the book. I'm gonna provide you book to read. So that is also covered. Every single thing that you need to pass in the program, I will provide you. And one final thing, actually 2 things. First thing is that you will get a support of all the certified PMPs that we have in this year. They are gonna support you and they are gonna help you 24/7 through WhatsApp. And the last thing is always the last thing. Everything is backed by money back guarantee. The fee for the batch program is $499 and one-to-one is $999. The PMP exam fees is $545. Whichever program you want to join, You can join whichever the program suits you. If you haven't taken the training before and you are not a busy professional, I do recommend join the batch program. But if your time zone is different or you want a special attention, then you can join one-to-one programs. And let's say, God forbid, you could not pass, that is near to impossible in my program. I will either pay your money back or I will coach you till you become certified PMP. What else you need? Everything is covered in single program. This is the time to register and become PMP in 2020.